Good afternoon, y'all. It's a week on keto, and yeah, we gotta talk. So, hey, y'all, hey, y'all, hey, y'all, hey, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It has been a week on keto. Today is June 24th, and y'all, when I say that I have done a combination of strict, dirty, lazy keto, and I still managed to lose a lot of weight. So before we jump into this video, go ahead and subscribe, turn on them post notifications, notification gang, 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 notification squad, yeah. Turn on them post notifications. That's that little bell right there, so you'll be notified anytime I post. So I'm coming to y'all a little bit different time of the day. Normally I come to y'all when I be at home, but I was like, girl, like come to them now. So when I get home tonight, I'm gonna weigh myself, let y'all see the good, the bad, the ugly, how much I weigh, how much I lost. I'm happy with things. My clothes fit better. So yeah, today I started intermittent fasting with keto. So the last time I had any food or anything was 9 o'clock last night, and it is, if y'all could see this. Oh yeah, hold on. Well, it's 12:24, so I can eat at, no, it's 12:54. I can eat at 1:24. And when I tell y'all I'm starving, so I had some green tea, some green chai tea. Am I saying that right? And I've been listening to what y'all been saying about the electrolytes, and I had a little snippet of regular Gatorade. It wasn't no Gatorade Power A0. It was whatever they had in the machine downstairs. So I drank a little bit of that, and I didn't want to do it because it's not really strict keto. But as I told y'all, I've been doing strict slash lazy slash dirty. So when I tell y'all I cannot wait to eat, the name of the app that I'm gonna be using for this intermittent fasting is Zero. I believe it's on both platforms, Android and iPhone, but it's Zero. So I'm gonna show y'all the screenshot of it in a minute. Basically, it helps you keep track of how long you've been fasting and stuff like that. So over the weekend, baby, I was doing dirty keto. Like, we started Friday. I went and got service done on my car. And before I do that, shout out to my coworker Kenny. He told me about the intermittent fasting app. So Friday I went and got some service done on my car, and I get my car taken to the Nissan, the dealer, and they have like muffins, Nutri-Grain bars, cookies. So at first I didn't eat nothing, so I was like, let me go over here and get like a Nutri-Grain bar. So in addition to the Nutri-Grain bars, they have a little freezer with ice cream sandwiches, strawberry shortcakes, drumsticks, things like that. I ate not one strawberry shortcake, but two. Let me tell y'all, after that, I ate that and my stomach was hurting. Booty tang, who? So my stomach was like, girl, like, you ain't been eating no sweets and stuff like that. What are you doing? So that night, I paid for it, but eating sweets. So then, what did I eat that night? My stomach was kind of hurting, so I ended up eating like some hard salami and the thinnest crackers you've ever seen. I forgot when my mama got them at Aldi. So I ate about 6 slices of salami and the little crackers because my stomach was hurting. I shouldn't have ate the ice cream sandwich. I mean the ice cream. So then that morning, I was like, I'm gonna intermittent fast. Well, I didn't end up intermittent fasting. We went to the mall, and I don't know if you're like me, but we went to the mall, and what was right there? A Auntie Anne's pretzel, if I'm even saying it right. So I ate a pretzel, and I was like, okay, girl, I ain't gonna eat nothing else. So I went to an anniversary, my cousin's 50th wedding anniversary party. They have food. I was good. I didn't get a roll or anything, but I had like They had brisket, turkey, green beans, and some pasta. I did eat some of the pasta. So yeah, over the weekend it was like dirty keto, but I didn't gain no weight back. And then yesterday I had like some chicken strips, and that night I was like, might as well be a dirty weekend. So then I ate like a Reese's candy bar that got the Reese's pieces in it. That was that. That was the last time I ate anything, was like at 9 o'clock last night. So I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Once 1:30 come, I have fasted for 18, I think it's like 16 hours. So you fast for 16 hours and you eat with a time window. You can eat between those 8 hours. So what I got that I'm going to show y'all for lunch, I tried to make it as healthy as I can, but it's dirty keto again. So because I didn't really like go to the store and prepare anything, but I know I haven't gained no weight back. But I can't wait to get home and show y'all when I get on the scale for my week weigh-in. But let me show y'all what I got. So yeah, y'all, other than that, the reason I got that Gatorade is because I started feeling like really dizzy / lightheaded. And I know it's because I haven't eaten anything. But yeah, I'm starting my keto journey early. And shout out to all y'all giving me that advice about doing the Gatorade and stuff. But I just feel like if I wouldn't have drank that Gatorade and that green tea, I probably wouldn't go make it. So I'm officially starting a keto challenge with my sister Charlize. She's doing another keto challenge, and I'm gonna jump in on this one because like I like a challenge, and so I'm gonna jump on this challenge. It officially starts July 7th. But I feel like I gotta jump on it because, yeah, what's up with my arm? Is it a burn? Yeah, I feel like I gotta jump on it because I did not want to start the challenge at 260 anything, just like last time. So I'm doing a combination of strict 30, lazy, um, until it starts. But I can tell y'all this: since I've been doing this keto and cutting out stuff, I ain't got no problem going to the bathroom. I don't have no problems going to the bathroom. So other than that, I've done enough talking, y'all. I am very happy with my progress so far. Like my clothes fitting better, the bloating has went away, and the scale. Like the last time I got on the scale, like I started on Monday, and by Wednesday I had lost 5 pounds. So, and then I got on a Friday, and I had lost another pound. So I was at like maybe 6 or 7. But I'm excited to see how much I lost. I cannot wait to get home. Y'all know I do real time on the scale to see exactly what it's gonna say. So let me insert the clip of this app I'm telling y'all about, and we're just gonna get into it. So this is the app I was telling y'all about. It's called Zero, and what you basically do is you can track how many hours you have did intermittent fasting. My screen right here shows 16 hours of fasting, and then I will eat between the 8-hour window. And as you can see, I just hit my 16-hour fasting mark. This is a really cool app. I believe they have it on Android and iOS platforms. So when I tell y'all I'm hungry, now if I was to chisel off the crust on this, it could still be keto. Most likely, I'm probably gonna eat the whole thing. But I got 2 chicken strips, and then they had it where you can make your own. They can make you a quesadilla. So in this quesadilla, I got bell peppers, spinach, red onions, black olives, and cheese. Now, granted, if I dig the inside out, it'll be keto. I don't know if I'm going to do that. And those are beans, which we all know are not keto. So, y'all, that's basically my lunch. And when I tell you I got 24 minutes until I can tear into this food. And then, of course, you can't have chicken strips and you can't have a quesadilla without the salsa. The salsa is keto. Honey mustard is keto. So that's what I'm gonna be killing. So this that stuff I was telling you about. That this girl I know, Tiffany, she is like a distributor for this. So she sent it to me, and as you see, it's supposed to curb appetite, support fat burning, boost healthy metabolism. So I've read a lot about this ingredient, this type of fruit or plant. And so basically it says shake well before use, spray 6 sprays into mouth and swallow 3 times a day as desired. I didn't really want to do anything since I've been doing intermittent fasting and some form of keto, whether it's strict, dirty, or lazy. I was like, let me try this and see if it works. Like, the videos on YouTube is not a lot about them, but I figure I will try this and let y'all know what's up. So I haven't eaten anything today. I'm still on my fast, but I'm ready to spray 6 sprays in now. It's about 9:32 on July 1st. And I guess I'm gonna do the spray so y'all can see. I'll let y'all know the taste and everything. But yeah, let's get into this. We gonna see if it does what it claims, because the videos I've seen on YouTube, I really saw only 2 people that wasn't affiliated with this company. Like, they bought the product, I guess. But their videos, I mean, I was somewhat convinced, but yeah, we gonna see. Y'all know I don't do nothing but tell y'all the real deal. And we just gonna see. So hey y'all, I'm at work. This is what I was telling you about this Trim 365. So basically it's supposed to help you burn fat, and it smells real fruity, but it says spread in your mouth 6 sprays and swallow. Today is the first. I'm gonna do this for as long as it lasts. And if you're doing 6 sprays 3 times a day, it ain't gonna last that long. So let's see. It kind of tastes like some form of a vitamin or something. It's nasty. It kind of tastes like prunes, bitter prunes. But I just did 6 sprays, so I check back with y'all. I'm gonna do my next 6 sprays. I'm not doing that 3 damn times a day. Like, I'm only gonna do it twice a day. But baby, that stuff is gross. You know what? I'm gonna follow the thing. I'm gonna do it 3 times a day. So I'll probably do my next one right before I end this fast. This stuff is nasty. So y'all, I did not bring lunch today, but I went to the food truck and got a chicken salad, and this looks like this is ground chicken. I could tell, but if y'all could smell this. And then I got some sour cream, some verde sauce, and I think this is chipotle. I think that's so I got verde, chipotle mayo, and sour cream. So y'all,
you taking my picture.
this is ground chicken. And it's so good. I'm about to eat this, and I will check back with y'all later.